Hello, Rams, and welcome to our first virtual open house. I teach Spanish, and my name is Señora Baugh. I was born in Quito, Ecuador, and I have lived in various different Latin American countries for over 20 years. I love to share my culture and experiences with my students. I have been teaching Spanish for the past 16 years, and of those 16, I've been with the May Creek family for 14. I would like to start by saying how honored and privileged I feel for teaching this new group of students. They have shown resilience and a great sense of pride by showing up to the different Zoom sessions and overcoming the obstacles of learning in a virtual environment. This year, I'm teaching the following courses. I teach Spanish 2, I teach Spanish 3, I teach Spanish 3 KAP, and I also teach Spanish 4 AP. We use Wayside Publishing for most of the textbooks, and I additionally use Quizlet in order to learn vocabulary, various different authentic resources designed for native speakers, and for my AP classrooms, we will be using College Board AP Classroom to practice for the AP exam. KVA and face-to-face classes. Most of my classes are blended classes, which means that in the same class period, I teach both KVA students and face-to-face students. In order to meet, we will be meeting in Zoom meetings, and it is imperative that my KVA students join every day in order to be marked present and receive instruction for that day. Tutorials. KVA students, please reach out and send me a message in inbox or remind requesting a tutorial, and I will send a Zoom meeting link and let you know what time we can meet. For face-to-face students, my official tutorial days are Tuesdays and Thursdays, but I'm very flexible. Just reach out and ask for help. Technology. Regardless whether you're face-to-face or KVA, we will be using technology throughout the year. Students will be working in Canvas modules and completing assignments there. Students will also practice their vocabulary using Quizlet, and they will be recording videos using Flipgrid. Makeup work. Given the present learning environment, late work will be accepted without any points deducted. It is the student's responsibility to notify me that they completed the assignment, and it will take a few days for me to get back into the assignment and grade the work. Please be patient. My syllabus will be found in the comments section of this video. Please refer to the correct class period. This is my contact information. My conference is during third period from 8:58 to 9:42. Parents, I prefer to receive emails, and I will respond as quickly as possible within 24 hours. If you need to call me, my number is 281-237-3048. If you would like to join the Remind group, you can find the link for the course that corresponds to your student in the Canvas homepage. If you would like to request a conference, I would be glad to set up either a Zoom meeting or we could also meet in person. I'm looking forward to working with all of my students this year, and thank you for watching this video.